Good morning, students. Myself Renu Rathi from Shri Rama Bharati Public School. We have already completed our two topics, mean, median and mode, and this time we are going to deal with the less than and more than type. So for today's class, the topic is how to convert less than and more than in an intervals. First of all, just let me tell you one thing, that why we are converting less than and more than in an intervals. Because for solving mean, median and mode, we need intervals only. These questions can be solved when the intervals are given, not when the less than and more than types are given. And what about these less than and more than type? Less than and more than types are, let me tell you through one example. If in your class I ask that please stand up the students, those who have scored the marks between 20 to 30. So only 20 to 30 students, those who have scored these marks, these will raise their hand. But if my question is, please stand up those who have scored more than 20. In more than 20, 20 to 30 will also come, and after 30, if the numbers are after 30 also, these students will also come. Means at this time we are going to add the students in the previous one. So less than word can be known as less than word, other name is also below 10. Less than 10 can also be written as below 10. More than word, more than 10 can be written as above 10. Above 10. So don't be confused regarding this. They both are having the same meaning and they both are also having the same meaning. So, but the question is, how will we convert these types of question in an intervals? So what we are going to do, I will explain you through one very simple example. You just try to understand. Less than 10, less than 20, less than word always related with the upper limit. It means whenever they will give you the less than, you take these words as the upper limit. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But I am going to write here marks obtained. Marks obtained, and I am designing here CI, class interval. Less than will work as upper limit. So 10. So 10 means 10 from where 10? So it will be 0 to 10. Then next will be 10 to 20. 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and the last one is 50 to 60. Because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These will be the upper limit. Clear class? And after this, what we have to write, we are not going to write directly these numbers here. These are the CFs. Less than 10 means the student, those who have scored less than 10. Less than 20 means those who have scored less than 20. In this 9, they have added this 5 also. But 10 to 20 means the student between 10 to 20 only. We will not take this 5. So how will we calculate? 0 to 10, this first number will be remain same. It will be 5. Next is less than 20. They have written here 9, but we have written here 10 to 20. So it means you have to subtract this number in which less than 10 is there. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 20 to 30, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then 29 minus 17. 29 minus 17. We have to subtract this. It will be 12. Then 45 minus 19. 45 minus 19 will be 16. Then 70 minus 45. It will be 25. So what we have done here, we just have subtracted these numbers. When you will add these all numbers, let me add these numbers. When you will add all these numbers, like this is 20 and then all that, the answer will be 70. Because the highest of the CF will be the total of the frequency. highest of the CF will be the total of the frequency, and the first term in less than will be remain same. So you just learn in less than type questions. We will take question starts from above, from top. Question will start from top, and first number, top number will be remain same. After that, subtract the CF one by one. Then you can easily convert this. And the last one is in less than question. They will convert as upper limits. Fine class. After getting this interval, everyone can solve mean, median and mode. The main problem was with the less than only. I have converted in interval. Now you can solve mean, median and mode for the same question. Find mean, median and mode for this question now. Now the next example will be of more than. How will we convert the more than in an interval? How will we convert the more than type in an interval? So let me take one example of more than type. I have taken one more example of the more than type. How will we convert the more than in an intervals? Because more than questions are also, we are not able to solve mean, median and mode. We have to convert in the intervals. So how will we convert the interval? First write down class interval. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 intervals will be here. For that lower limit will be this row only. If less than what will be there, then these number will be the upper limit. More than lower limit, less than upper limit. Opposite relation. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These all are the lower limit. Now 0 to 10, because the gap is of 10 number, then 30, 40, 50 and the last one is 60. And this row will not come here exactly same like this. What we have to do, more than 0 means all the students those who have scored more than 0 marks. More than 10 means all the students those who have scored more than 10 marks. It means we are adding all the numbers here. So what we will do, we will start. First point is, in less than type, we always start the question from the top. In more than type question, we always start the question from the bottom. In less than, the top number will be remain same. In more than, the bottom number will be remain same. So it will be 42. In the F, it will be 42. Now just subtract these two. 42 minus 48, that is 6. Number can't be negative, that's why I just have taken their difference. 48 minus 51, or we can say 1 minus 48. It is 3. Then subtract these two. 4. Subtract these two. Then it will be 3. Subtract these two. When you will subtract it, it will be 5. And when you will add these all numbers, the total will be 63. So in more than type, what you have to note here, that in more than type, given numbers will be lower limits. Question will start from bottom. Next, last number will be remain same. So this is all about that how to convert less than and more than in an intervals. After converting an intervals, you can easily calculate mean, median and mode of the same. You easily can calculate mean, median and mode for the same. So today we have learnt about that how to convert less than and more than in interval. Less than, the given number will be the upper limit and we can arrange according to the question lower limits also. Question will start at the top. First number will be remain same. Then subtract, subtract and subtraction. In more than type, the number that is given with more than, they will work as lower limit and the question will start at the bottom. The last number will be remain same. After that, we are just going to subtract from the difference. We are going to take the difference of the two consecutive numbers. So this is how we are able to convert less than and more than in an intervals. In our next class, we will learn about the intervals, how intervals can be converted in less than and more than. And what is the use to convert intervals in less than and more than? For the graphical representation. That I will explain you in the next class. These questions are related that how to convert the less than and more than in an interval. That's all for today class. Thank you.